Hey everyone. Playlist Push is a website that claims you can make money just by listening to music and giving feedback. They advertise that you can earn hundreds of dollars per song, which sounds like a dream. Getting paid to do something as simple as listening to music. But is it really that easy? How much can you actually make? What are the requirements? And most importantly, is this even worth your time? In this video, I'm going to break everything down step by step. I'll show you exactly how Playlist Push works, who qualifies, and whether this is a legitimate way to earn money or just another overhyped platform. Let's find out. So, how does Playlist Push work? At its core, it's a platform that connects independent artists with playlist curators and social media influencers. The goal is to help artists get their music heard by a wider audience. There are three key players in this system. First, you have Playlist Push itself, which acts as the middleman. This is the company that sets everything up, collects payments from artists, and distributes the tasks to curators like you. Second, there are the artists. These are musicians who are trying to gain exposure for their songs. Instead of relying solely on traditional marketing, they pay Playlist Push to get their music in front of real listeners who can help them grow their audience. And third, there's you, the creator. Your role is to listen to music, provide honest reviews, and if you qualify, promote songs through your Spotify playlists or TikTok videos. In return, Playlist Push claims you can get paid for your contributions. Now, on the surface, this sounds like an easy way to make money. You listen to music, give your opinion, and potentially earn cash for your effort. But there are some important requirements you need to know about before you can actually start earning. Let's start with TikTok. Playlist Push claims that TikTok creators can make up to $250 per video by simply using specific songs in their content. That sounds straightforward, right? Just add a song, post a video, and cash out? Well, not quite. To even qualify for their TikTok program, you need to meet some strict requirements. First, your TikTok account must have at least 31,000 followers. That alone eliminates a huge percentage of people. But that's not all. You also need to have an average of 3,000 views per video. That means if your videos don't consistently get engagement, you won't get accepted. And even if you do meet these numbers, Playlist Push doesn't accept just anyone. They manually review accounts to check for authenticity. They want to see that your followers and views are real, not gained through bots, paid promotions, or artificial engagement. If they suspect that your account has fake followers or boosted stats, they'll reject your application immediately. Now let's talk about Spotify. Many people think they can make money just by adding songs to their playlists, but Playlist Push has strict criteria for playlist curators as well. To even apply as a playlist curator, you need to have at least 1,000 real followers on a single playlist. These can't be bot followers or people who joined through follow-for-follow schemes. Playlist Push has tools to detect inauthentic followers, and if they find anything suspicious, your playlist won't qualify. But it doesn't stop there. Your playlist also needs to have at least 30 active monthly listeners. This means that people aren't just following your playlist, they actually need to be playing songs from it regularly. Playlist Push also requires that your playlist fits within a specific genre. If your playlist is too random or includes niche content that doesn't align with mainstream music trends, it may not get approved. And even if you meet all of these qualifications, the amount you earn depends on several factors, including your playlist's engagement, the quality of your reviews, and how well your audience interacts with the songs you promote. There's no fixed payout, and while some people claim to make decent money from it, others report that earnings are inconsistent and much lower than expected. Playlist Push is a music promotion platform that connects artists with playlist curators and TikTok influencers to help them gain real organic exposure. For Spotify, Playlist Push offers the largest playlist curator network, where each curator undergoes a strict vetting process to ensure authenticity. Streams are organic, and every song submission is carefully reviewed. With over 4,000 verified playlists, 500,000 plus playlist ads, and a total reach of 150 million plus, it is a powerful tool for musicians looking to grow their presence on Spotify. If you want to take advantage of Playlist Push as a curator, you can apply to become one. Simply click on Become a Curator. You will be redirected to another page where you have to again click on Become a Curator. Now in the form displayed, enter your details. You'll need to provide your name, your email address. Make sure it's the same one linked to your Spotify account. Your country of residence. Availability depends on tax laws and restrictions. Your mobile phone number for verification, and a link to your biggest Spotify playlist, which must be public, have more than 1,000 real followers, and be managed by you. In the next step, you'll need to connect your Spotify account to verify that you actually own the playlist. Once verified, you'll be able to review and feature songs from artists, helping them gain exposure while you earn money for curating quality content. Whether you're an artist looking for organic growth or a curator wanting to monetize your playlist, Playlist Push provides a seamless way to connect music with the right audience. For TikTok, Playlist Push allows artists to get their music featured in viral videos. By submitting a song, artists can connect with influencers and creators who incorporate it into their content, driving exposure through short-form videos. The platform boasts over 3,300 TikTok creators, 90,000 plus videos made, and an impressive 6.8 billion plus TikTok views. To apply to become a TikTok creator on Playlist Push, first click on Become a Creator, and you'll be redirected to another page. Here, click on Apply Now, which will take you to the application page. Due to high signups, there's currently a waitlist for new creators. Click Next to sign up and join the waitlist. Once you proceed, you'll be asked how many followers you have on TikTok. There's a slider where you can select from 0 to 100,000 plus followers. The minimum requirement is at least 31,000 followers. Next, you'll be asked how many views your videos get on average. Again, there's a slider ranging from 0 to 10K plus views per video, and the minimum requirement is at least 3K views per video. After selecting your stats, click Next Step, and you'll need to fill out your details. Enter your full name, email address, country of residence, and date of birth, then provide your TikTok profile link. There's also an optional field for your Instagram profile, and a referral code if you have one. Once you've entered all the required information, click Submit, and that's it. Your application will be reviewed, and if you meet the requirements, you'll be approved to start earning by featuring music in your TikTok videos. Playlist Push provides a streamlined way for artists to get their music heard by the right audience through verified Spotify playlists and trending TikTok videos. One thing to note is that Playlist Push has a strict acceptance rate, with only 0.4% of applicants getting approved. That means if 1,000 people apply, only 4 will be accepted. This makes it incredibly difficult for most people to even get in. Their requirements are very strict, and even if you meet them, there is no guarantee you'll earn a significant amount. They advertise that you can make up to $12 per song, but that doesn't mean every song will pay that much. Some songs may only earn you $1 or $2, and their rules can change at any time. If you look at the reviews from users, you'll notice that Playlist Push has been known to adjust its criteria, such as increasing the required number of followers or engagement levels. This means that even if you get accepted today, there's no certainty that you'll continue to qualify in the future. Many people have shared their frustration about these sudden rule changes, and that's why relying on Playlist Push as a consistent income source is not the best option. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a better side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.